Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer bacon wrapped Little Smokies. Let's begin. We have here 14 ounces of Little Smokies, and we also have here original Black Label bacon. We also have here some maple syrup, and we're going to pour some out into a bowl. Looking good. We're going to put the maple syrup to the side, and let's start wrapping the Little Smokies. Let's open up the bacon, and now let's open up the Little Smokies. We're going to take the bacon and cut it into 3 strips. Just like that. We're going to take a small strip of bacon and wrap it around the Little Smoky. Just like that. Okay, we bacon wrapped 18 Little Smokies, and now we're going to secure it with a toothpick. You want to secure it with a toothpick or else the bacon might become loose and come off. We're going to take a toothpick. We're going to secure it diagonally. Just like that. Okay, we secured the bacon diagonally with a toothpick. And now we're going to take some maple syrup and dab it on top. Just like that. Looking good. Next, we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we flipped them all over. And next, we're going to take some maple syrup and dab it on top. There we go, looking good. This is what the 18 bacon wrapped Little Smokies look like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 380 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 380 degrees. And now let's put in the bacon wrapped Little Smokies. Last one. Okay, we have 18 bacon wrapped Little Smokies in the air fryer. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 12 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes so far at 380 degrees. We're at the halfway point, and now let's flip it over. But before we flip it over, we're just going to take some more maple syrup and dab it on top. There we go. Let's flip it over real quick. Okay, we flip them all over. Make sure they're spaced out. We're just going to take some more maple syrup and dab it on the other side. Looking good. And now let's put it back in for the last 6 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 12 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, bacon wrapped Little Smokies with maple syrup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.